Welcome to Block 7. If you're looking for home design inspiration that blends natural beauty with material innovation, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring Saltviga House, an extraordinary architectural masterpiece on Norway's southeastern coast that redefines sustainable design by repurposing leftover materials into a stunning and eco-friendly retreat. Located on Norway's southeastern coastline, this 140 square meter recreational home, designed by Kolman Boye Architects. Saltviga House isn't just a home, it's a vision brought to life. The architects utilized oak and Douglas offcuts from Dinesen's floor production, materials that might otherwise be discarded or used as firewood. Through a meticulous process of selection, pre-treatment, and design, these materials were transformed into over 12,000 individual elements, each playing a crucial role in the home's robust and layered facade. This approach demonstrates not only a commitment to sustainability, but also an unparalleled attention to craftsmanship. Perched on the rocky terrain of a boreal forest, Saltviga House respects and adapts to its surroundings. Rather than reshaping the terrain, the design flows with the land's natural contours. Its 3 interconnected volumes are spread across 5 distinct levels, offering a seamless connection between the house and its environment. Outside, 2 thoughtfully designed spaces emerge: a tranquil courtyard protected from coastal winds, and an open deck offering panoramic views of the Skagerrak Sea through a natural window band in the surrounding conifers. The exterior cladding is a testament to both beauty and durability. Over time, the oak panels will weather into a silvery-grey hue, blending harmoniously with the slate and granite landscape. Each piece was pre-drilled, tar-treated, and meticulously installed using over 20,000 stainless steel screws, creating a facade that is as functional as it is visually stunning. Step inside, and you'll find a serene and cohesive interior design. The Douglas cladding retains a warm, slightly whitish tone, complementing the neutral screed floors. Each space within the house has a unique volume and ceiling height, reflecting its specific function. A central hallway connects these spaces, offering clear views through the home and framing breathtaking vistas of the sea. This thoughtful layout not only enhances the living experience, but also brings unity to the home's multi-level design. Saltviga House is more than an architectural achievement. It's a statement about the future of design. By repurposing waste materials and blending them with traditional Norwegian building techniques, this home challenges conventional norms. It inspires us to rethink how we approach construction, encouraging innovation that prioritizes both sustainability and aesthetics. Saltviga House stands as a perfect example of how modern architecture can respect the past while embracing the future. Its ability to harmonize with its surroundings, elevate overlooked materials, and offer an unparalleled living experience makes it a truly extraordinary creation. What are your thoughts on Saltviga House? Could this sustainable approach redefine how we design homes in harmony with nature? Share your ideas in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Block 7 for more incredible design stories from around the world. See you in the next episode.